Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about Excel errors and how to correct them. So as you all see, how we go to the Excel, you just right click on your desktop, you go on new, and then you will finally see Microsoft Excel worksheet. It is here, so you will tap on it and it will automatically open. So you can either come here and maybe name it anything you like for me I'll just name it Triumph, and it's already done. Then you double tap, it will open automatically as you all see here. So here I'm going to show you how to correct the mistakes in the Excel. So that means we are going to talk about the Excel errors. Now as you see the work currently, so here in case the work is like this and it is kinda squeezed, so here you can as well see everything is squeezed. Don't just delete, you just come up here. Sometimes when the work is squeezed, like the computer can bring hash, but here what you'll do, you'll go at the rightmost corner, you tap here up, then you will pull it like this. Remember, we want to organize the work one by one like that. Can't you see now? Then we shall extend this one. Remember, we want to space them. Maybe you come here on the next line, and then maybe if you think the space is big, you can also decrease this one like that. Then you come even, you pick up this one of the class. As you see now, the work is organized and there is enough space compared to this one where we have not yet written. So that's one of the errors that we have already sorted. So as you can all still see, now this was about the net income, so I'm correcting the first one of the first mistakes we talked about. So here I will have to expand it so it will get to the income net dollars. Income net, it is in dollars. So we shall go on the second mistake to correct. So here we shall come here on our formula bar. For example, we want to add the total of the income net and the number of children. So you'll come here where you are going to add, you press, so we are going to add in G. So you press here and it will, then you will go here on the formula bar. So for example, when you are beginning on the formula bar, we normally begin with the equal signs. So the equal signs usually show us what we are going to do. So as you write the equal signs on the formula bar, it will also be appearing this side. So maybe we want to put this one is in D, say like maybe D1, you say maybe D1, maybe you say plus, shift plus, then maybe you say this one which is F1, maybe F, then 1. So after there you will come, so after there you press, so when you press enter, you will all see that to bring hash value, something which is not there, it means it doesn't even exist. So we shall now see how to correct it or to do the right thing. So now here we shall come and correct it. So we get the right way, because here we had said D1, where D1 was showing us it is the income net. So that's why I said you should be very keen as you are in Excel. Income net, it was D1 we used D1, which was for the name, class, occupation, income net. So that's why it was showing us it is a what, a hash value. So here we just come and tap where we want the answers to appear. We come here. I remember I told you we begin with the equal sign. So what you type in here, it will also appear here in G, where we are going to put our answers. Then here you will come and say this is D, it is D2, it is appearing in 2. So we say D2, which is 85, which is D2, and maybe we use the plus sign. You see what you're writing is also appearing here. Then we shall say maybe F2. So after there you just press enter. You see it has already given us the total answer, which is 96. So here we don't just repeat everything here, no, we just come here and we just press enter. It will just appear. As you all see now, I've just dragged the cursor down and they have already showed up themselves here. So we shall count this as our sum. You can also come and title it here. So this is our sum. I think here we can try another thing, which is, maybe let's title it subtraction. So either, as I showed you in the first one, which was sum, so you can come here and you say maybe it has already even come. So we shall come here and say maybe equals, you say D2 shift, and maybe D2 minus F3. You press enter, it will automatically come as 80. So as I told you, you roll it down and the values are